If you don't want other people to view your friend list on your Facebook account, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you on how to hide your friends on Facebook. By default, Facebook shows all of your friend list that you have to other people who visit your profile. So to block this and to prevent other people from viewing your Facebook friend list, let me show you how it's done. Open up your Facebook app and tap on the menu on the top right. From this menu, if you scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. From this section, again tap on Profile Settings and tap on Privacy. Now this is the section where you can manage your privacy of your Facebook. You can see settings such as who can see your future posts and other stuff. To make your friend list private, you can see that option under how people can find and contact you. You can see who can see your friend list. You can just tap on this option, and like I said, by default it would be selected to public. If you don't want other people or anyone to view it, just tap on only me. Or you can also tap on friends or friends accept. This way you can manually select those friends who you don't want to show your Facebook friend list. But the best option is, if you want to make it private, is the only me option. This way no one visiting your profile, whether they be your friends or other people, won't be able to see your friend list on your Facebook account. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, hit that notification bell so you get notified for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.